Okay, so this is the Raspberry Pi. There you go, Spy Vehicle. Call it the Spiker. So it's got the Raspberry Pi in there. This is the Dagu mini driver board, and it's got a battery pack and a power bank to power the Raspberry Pi. It's got a camera. It's a pan and tilt system, so you can move the camera around. It's got a dongle there, so you can connect your phone. So yeah, so powering up the Raspberry Pi, so just connect that. So that powers the Raspberry Pi, and you need to turn on the Dagu mini driver board. So you can do that by turning this on. So there's a switch there, you can turn that on. So that basically controls the camera and the pan and tilt and the speed of the track vehicle, etc. So after a while you can connect to the IP address, so we'll show that in a bit. So that's the IP address we are connecting to, but before that we need to connect to its Wi-Fi. Robot connected, and once it gets connected we can just start the hit. So next thing is to connect to the IP address, which I'll show you. Yeah, so as I mentioned in the user manual, the IP address will be you can see it's 192.168.42.1. So yeah, you can use that IP address to connect to the Raspberry Pi over here, which we'll do now. Okay, so we are connected now. So it's gonna show a screen like this and little joysticks. So the one on the right will let you control the camera, the pan and tilt system, as you can see. So okay, so let me move the tracked vehicle a bit here so you can see a bit clear. And if you move the other joystick, you can move the tracked vehicle. Yep, so you can move the camera around so you can see Ashley, and there's me. Basically, it's quite fast. Yeah, and you can control the speed with the joysticks. Basically, if you like you can see here, if you move them slowly, it's just gonna move slowly basically. And it's got 7.2 volts, so it has enough power to, I mean, it already weighs around 3 kilos, so it's pretty heavy. It can lift a quite good load. And the camera uses JPEG streaming, so there isn't much lag. The video quality will be, the streaming quality will be quite good, so you can see clearly. Okay, so I'll just put, yeah. I'll place it on the ground so you can see how fast it goes and all that. So let me just drop it on the floor, like that. it's easy to control. Basically, one joystick basically controls the movement, and the other one is for the camera. So it's in terms of speed, I mean, it's pretty good. Okay, so yeah. So basically, the joystick on the left basically controls the tracked vehicle, and the one on the right side is for the camera, and the streaming quality again is pretty good. Yeah, I'll pause it there for now. I'm Sanjay and this is Ashley, and thank you for helping me out.